Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's actually Calvin and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As you guys can tell, I am super excited about today's video. We're going to be installing an Amazon spoiler that I only got for $150. And if you guys are interested in getting the same spoiler as me, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. And for anyone that is seeing this channel for the very first time, feel free to hit that subscribe button for more content. Some of you guys are going to be probably wondering why I'm going to be switching out my already aftermarket spoiler. There's nothing wrong with it. I love that how it's in carbon fiber, but I was having a little bit of settler's remorse with it. It just wasn't enough spoiler for me. Or enough wing? Which one of the two is correct? Alright boys, let's get started with today's video. So basically this is a duckbill spoiler and I'm going to be replacing the carbon fiber one. The only thing I'm going to have to do is take off the adhesive I have on here, so I have a heat gun with me to do that. I don't have a stock spoiler, so the process for me is going to be a little bit different from you guys. The only thing different is you guys are just going to have two bolts right under this fabric under here. The color is pretty near identical. I don't really have any complaints with it. So we'll see what a $150 spoiler looks like. What's really cool is that they provide pre-drilled screw holes so you can put your pre-existing screws back in. Alright, we just got this spoiler off. I do have the base trunk which came with the stock lip, so I do have these pre-drilled holes. So we're going to go ahead and put the new spoiler on. But first, we're going to clean off all this debris off here. We have the top all prepped up. We hit it with some rubbing alcohol just so we can get through all the debris, just so we can have a clean contact with the tape as well. What they also provide you with is 3M tape and mounting screws. We just got all of the 3M tape applied. We think it's really clean lines and we thought about it and we actually are going to use the screw mounting points for the trunk. And we're going to have these little tabs in here and all you're going to have to do is literally just use either a tool or we just use a flathead screwdriver. So if we put this on right, we should be able to get these holes aligned. Alright guys, we're doing a test fit and this spoiler looks so good. I definitely suggest you guys getting this. Like I said, I'm going to put the link in the description where you guys can get it. Alright guys, yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new spoiler. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like it. Right now we just have 3M tape applied, and to be honest, we don't really trust just the 3M tape, so we are going to apply the screws with it. Alright guys, we are done with the install video for today. We think it looks absolutely amazing. I've always wanted this spoiler for such a long time, but did not want to pay the price tag for it. And this is a really good alternative for it. So I just got off the phone with one of the representatives from Based on Our Motorsports. I don't know if I can tell you guys too much information just yet, but I think we're gonna have something special planned for you guys. I am super excited for this video I'm gonna be doing, and this is going to conclude today's video. See you guys in the next one. I don't have a stock spoiler, so I already went through the process of, god damn it. Let me retry that. Okay. Alright, so originally I don't have a. Oh shit, let me restart that. Never mind. Just keep it rolling, I'll just cut that out.